Yan guys. Hello, good morning. Yan ang mga doggies ko. Kita niyo naman. Mga doggies ko. Talaga naman. They are having a good sleep in a weather of 35 degrees. So 35 degrees na hindi have food. I just put it here because they just love it. Don't need the plate, you know. So yeah, and then I have a lot of plants here. Look, but I need to water this my bougainvillea, and yeah, I have some dogs here. Look at my plants, very nice. But I have my two puppies there. Oh, that's summer. It's okay, summer. It's okay. Summer ko. Look at this two puppies. This one doesn't care. It's very sleepy. There's still a baby. And that is Lucky. My Lucky. And guys, and this is my this is my huts. Ayan, hutch ko yan. Very dirty. That's the area of mine. Tapos, pababa dito again. Ayoko lang magstay dito kasi ako lang mag-isa. I love my house. My bahay kubo. I just calm down and see this. Nih. Dami kong coconut, oh. I have so many coconuts, dried coconuts there. So yeah. Paano ba naman? Ito nga yung aking paligid. Never mind. Yan lang talaga. Pag minsan mag-isa ka lang, o di kailangan mo ng libangin ang sarili mo kasi wala kasama. Ganun po. Tapos, yan, nag-direct na ako sa tubig ko sa Tapos mayroon pang beer dito. Yan ang plants ko, kaganda-ganda. Meron akong ube dito. Ube? Pwede na siya itanim, oh. Ube. And the gabi. Amotek. Mainit talaga ang pakiramdam dito. Pero may palm tree ako. Tingnan mo. Ganda, diba? Palm tree. Lalaki din yan. Lalaki at lalaki din yan. Yan ang gusto kong ilagay doon sa Wow, langka siguro ilalagay ko doon para Maganda. Ganon. Ganyan po. Ganito lang sa bukid. English and Bisaya. But I better say it in English because my friends are watching me as well in the UK. Of course, Filipino can understand what I'm saying. Alam niyo na. Kasi yung asawa ko, manonood din naman siya. Ganun. Ayan na guys. Okay guys, thank you so much guys. Yan lang, tinortor ko lang kayo. Kasi sobrang, ayan pala si ano. Hindi, nagbabath naman yan siya. Uy, yan. Bye-bye.